Are you new in town? Because I think it was destiny that brought you here tonight. God damn it. You know, man, I really am so sorry. I mean...
Did you just eat her hair?
Ow! My button got caught!
Yeah, that ain't a wig.
Let's try this again.
No, not yet.
Give me a second! But did you get that?
She feels all exposed and nasty.
When you're going.
Hang on, Friends pants are falling down.
And we can edit out then. Okay.
Who's
Oh, I hate you.
Okay, ready? Are you new in town? Because I think it was destiny that brought you here. You always spiked your drink.
That's how we afford it.